City of Homestead How-To Video Series. Hello and welcome to the City of Homestead video tutorial series. The purpose of this tutorial is to show the step-by-step process to register as a contractor using our Enterprise Permitting and Licensing Portal, also referred to as EPL Build. First, I am going to go over the prerequisites to register. Second, I will cover the steps to register as a contractor. Let's get started. For a list of the requirements to become a registered contractor with the City of Homestead, please visit the following webpage, www.homesteadfl.gov/contractor. You can access this link in the description section of this video, or feel free to pause this video to write it down. Having said that, the following items must be completed prior to starting the registration process in the EPL Build portal. First, a user account. To access the registration tool, you must have a user account already created on the EPL Build portal. If you do not have an account, please access the portal at www.homesteadfl.gov/EPL Build. You can access this link in the description section of this video, or feel free to pause this video to write it down. Once the portal's homepage loads, click the Login or Register link located on the top right-hand corner and follow the steps to create your account. If you need help, please view our video tutorial on how to create a user account. This is a separate video, and the link to it is provided in the description below. Second is the required documentation. Please have the following documents stored in your computer to easily upload them during the registration process: certificate of insurance, copy of declaration page for commercial general liability, copy of qualifier's license issued by the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulations, DBPR, and a clear color copy of the applicant driver's license. As a side note, the required insurance threshold amounts can be seen in the previously mentioned requirements list webpage. This concludes the prerequisites. Next is the first step of the registration process. The first step is to log into the EPL Build portal at www.homesteadfl.gov/EPL Build. As previously stated, you can access this link in the description section of this video, or feel free to pause this video to write it down. The system loads the EPL Build homepage shown here. To start the registration process, please click the highlighted box labeled Register as a Contractor/Utility Owner/Lobbyist. Before we continue, I wish to point out that from this point on, most of the screenshots that will be presented will have a partial view of the EPL portal page to provide better readability. Okay, let's continue. After clicking the box on the homepage, the system loads the page shown here. This page contains a list of over 200 contractor types that you can register as. In the search box located on top of the list, enter the contractor type you wish to apply for and press Enter. For this tutorial, the search was for a certified general contractor license. The system filtered the list based on the search criteria. To select the desired contractor, click the Apply button highlighted in the screenshot. This step of the registration process is to add a business location. However, this is only required if your business is located in the City of Homestead. If not, click the Next button. If your business is located in Homestead, click the highlighted plus sign in the Add Location box. The system displays the Add Address page. In the highlighted search box, type the desired address and press Enter. The system displays search results, as shown here. Locate the desired address and check the box next to it. Then click the Add button. The system attached the address to the selected Add Location box. If you wish to add another address, click the plus sign on the additional box provided. If you wish to delete an address, click the Remove button at the bottom of the box. Once you are done adding the addresses, click the Next button. This is a review step showing the type of license that you are applying for. Please note that the license type field cannot be changed. If you need to change the selection, you will have to restart the process from the beginning. Click the Next button to continue. In this step, you need to add contacts that will be linked to the registration. The page loads with the applicant auto assigned by the system. The highlighted boxes are placeholders for the contractor and the qualifier, which are contacts that must be linked to the registration. To add their details, click the highlighted plus signs in their respective boxes. Upon clicking the plus sign, the system opens the Add Contact page. In the highlighted search box, type the name of the contact and press Enter. The system returns the search results. In this example, the contact is the contractor and a profile is already in the system. Click the highlighted Add button in the row containing the desired name. Before I show what happens next, I am going to go over how to add a contact that is not in the system. In this scenario, let's assume that you have searched for a contractor and the system returned the message, "No records to display," as highlighted in the screenshot. You can still add the desired contractor, however, it needs to be done manually as follows. Click the Enter Manually button highlighted here. The system displays the screenshot shown. Enter the contractor's name, email, and at least one phone number and click the Submit button. Upon clicking the Submit button, the system reloads the contacts page updated with the details of the added contacts. If you wish to delete a contact, click the Remove button located in the box. If you wish to add another contact, select it from the drop-down box and click the plus sign on the Add Contact box. Once you are done adding contacts, click the Next button. In this step, you need to provide Florida state license, contractor company information, and insurance coverage. Please fill in all the required fields marked with a red asterisk. To provide additional insurance coverage, click the highlighted Add Row button at the bottom of the section. Upon clicking the Add Row button, the system displays the pop-up window shown here. The window contains fields to provide coverage details for a specific insurance type, such as workers' compensation. Fill in the fields and click the Update button. This screenshot provides an enlarged view of the insurance cover details section with a row added to it. If you have additional insurance coverage to provide, click the Add Row button and repeat the process. Otherwise, click the Next button. In this step, you need to upload the documentation required to process your application. The highlighted boxes in the screenshot are the placeholders for the required documents, including a list of all the file types accepted by the system. In addition to the required files, if your business is located within the city of Homestead, you have to provide a copy of the BTR license or Miami-Dade license. Moving on to the upload functionality, there are two options to attach a file. The first option is to drag and drop a file in the desired box. The second option is to click the plus sign in the box to upload from your computer. Upon clicking the plus sign, the system will open a window to retrieve the document from your computer. Once you locate the document, click the Open button to attach the file. The document is uploaded to the selected box in the Attachments page. Repeat these steps until all the required files are attached. If you wish to add additional documents, click the plus sign or drag and drop a file to the extra box highlighted here. If you need to remove a document, click the Remove button in the box that contains the document. Once you are done attaching documents, click the Next button. The system opens the signature page shown here. First, type your name in the highlighted field to consent to electronically sign the application. Second, click the button next to the phrase Enable Type Signature as shown here. Third, type your name in the highlighted field. The signature auto populates in the box below. You are done signing. Please click the Next button. This is the last step of the application process where you will review the information entered. For the purpose of readability, the screenshot shows the web page split in two. Please validate that all the information is correct and click the Submit button. The system displays the confirmation page shown here. The rest of this tutorial is to show you how you can monitor the progress of your application. click the Continue to License button in the confirmation page. The system opens the portal page shown here. This contains the details of your license application. In addition, from this page, you can pay fees, edit attached documentation, and edit the contacts attached to the license. However, once you logged out of the system, to access this page, you need to do the following. After logging back in, click the dashboard menu highlighted in screenshot shown. Click the View Licenses link in the My Licenses section highlighted here. Upon clicking the View Licenses link, the system loads the My Work page shown here. The page contains tabs for the permits, inspections, licenses, and invoices linked to your account. To view the details of a license, click the My License tab and then click the license number located in the highlighted column. This concludes the tutorial on how to register as a contractor. Hopefully, this video has helped you navigate the registration process. However, if you need further assistance, please feel free to contact us as follows. For general questions, send an email to epermits@homesteadfl.gov. For technical questions, send an email to epermits-techsupport@homesteadfl.gov. Thank you.